making begins with the story of the ash tree. Selecting a good ash tree requires a keen eye to recognize the potential of the root system. The curve of the root buttress provides a natural curve for the base or boss of the Hurley. This lower 1.3 metre section is the only part that is used in Hurley making.
We're here today searching for ash trees to make Hurley sticks. This is a fine specimen, slightly on the larger size, but it's a fine specimen, smooth barked, has a good straight length on it, possibly for commercial use when we cut the Hurley sticks off. We're looking for this from the ground at 1.3. We're particularly looking for quality of buttress formation, and it's this particular root that we're looking for, and the turn of it, and possibly this one is a better example insofar as it's angled well and it's wide. It's this buttress that forms the grain of the Hurley, and it is this that gives us our senior Hurleys, and as a result gives us a good price for a hurl. It will also benefit the players because you're getting a much higher quality of Hurley. You have the spring, it's a natural product, and this basically is our raw material, and without this raw material we cannot survive.
Clearing the base gives the forester a clear view of the root system, and care is taken to maximise the return of Hurleys when the tree is being felled. These trees are usually felled between 20 to 40 years of age, depending on their growth rate and quality.
This is going to be segmented like an orange cut on the bandsaw, but it's mainly these four buttresses that we worked for in the beginning, that we spotted when we were choosing out the tree, that we're happy with. There'll be a nice return and a nice spread of planks in this one, and because of the smooth bark and because of the soil and the general woodland, this is a very high specimen of a tree. Right, the boss of the Hurley is in here, and it's in here where the best part of the tree is, where the most nutrients and the toughest part of the boss, and the grain turning around is what gives durability to the Hurley. This will be sawn down this way on the saw bench in inch boards, and it's nice to see a good buttress like this in a fine woodland that's been well maintained, being cut so expertly, and it will give the Hurley maker the premium choice, and also the lad on the saw bench will absolutely enjoy sawing through this. It's a joy to trot through this because there'll be a high yield of senior Hurleys. The woodland owner should be happy with the premium price. The Hurley maker will make a profit, and the hurler that's using it, it should last them longer, and therefore it's a win-win situation.
It is of course a totally natural, renewable and sustainable material with multiple young ash trees planted for each one felled. The tree butt now makes his way on the first leg of an intricate journey to becoming a Hurley. It's a journey that relies on years of skill and expertise, and very often generations of tradition and knowledge.